Suburban water heaters include built-in reset buttons that act as vital safety switches, protecting the unit from dangerous overheating. When water temperature rises beyond safe limits, usually around 180 degrees Fahrenheit, these buttons automatically cut power to prevent damage or fire risk. Knowing where they are and how to reset them can quickly restore hot water in many cases. The reset buttons are located behind the exterior access panel of the water heater on your RV or camper. Before doing anything, turn off both the electric and propane power switches to stay safe. Once the power is off, remove the access panel to expose the internal components. Inside, you'll see wiring, thermostats, and usually one or two reset buttons. Press each button firmly until you feel or hear a click. If a button won't stay in or keeps popping back out, that's a sign of an ongoing issue that needs attention. After resetting, turn the electric and propane switches back on and watch the unit to confirm it begins heating water normally. If your suburban water heater frequently trips the reset buttons, it often points to a faulty thermostat, airflow issue, or overheating problem that should be inspected by a professional. For propane mode, a red fault light may indicate issues like an empty gas tank, air in the gas line, or wind blowing out the flame. Regular maintenance, such as keeping the burner area clean and checking wiring connections, helps prevent repeated shutdowns and keeps your water heater running reliably.